Hello everyone! So today it's day 21 of the Advent. So let's unbox day 21. Day 21. Ay, natanggal. Balik yung sulit. It's a green. It's yellow green. Something green. This one, facial moisture bar. Facial moisture bar. Moisture bar. Huh? What is? Take the bar. Oh, it's a moisturizer, but in a soap. So it's just like do like this. Oh, I did use already. So it's my first time using like this. So it's really hydrate. It's oily, but it's, or maybe my face is really oily, not the bar itself. So I think it's good for night. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.
So yeah.